Take science. There's nothing for you in commerce. Get a job. Business isn't for you. Stop watching videos. Hey, look at this. Buy it. This dress will look stunning on you. He is not good for you. You've heard all this before, right? And that's exactly where the most dangerous game of life begins: decisions. Welcome to Hazel, Eleanor. Every year, 60% of students say, if only I had chosen my career differently. And 30% spend a huge chunk of their lives living with regret. Truth is, making a wrong career choice first isn't the problem. The mistake starts well before adulthood. Think of your body as a company. Your brain is the head office. The prefrontal cortex is the CEO who does planning, decision-making logically. The problem is, this CEO isn't fully trained until your 20s. Until then, who's making the big calls? The limbic system, which is responsible for your emotions. Which means all your major life decisions are being handled by an untrained assistant. That's why, in your teenage years, ego wins health, loses feelings, dominate logic, gets crushed. People think, I make logical decisions. Lies. 70% of decisions are emotional. Bought the iPhone because of FOMO and keeping up with trends. Ate junk food chasing dopamine and instant pleasure. Texted a toxic person due to emotional attachment and old habits. Stayed in a bad job for comfort and fear of change. Then they say, life's unfair. No, your decision was weak. 2 things hijack your mind. Number 1. Emotions. Anger, fear, and attachment are the worst times to make any decision. The rule's simple. Pause for 90 seconds, let emotions settle, then decide. Number 2. Subconscious patterns. You take 95% of decisions on autopilot. That's why. Open phone and scroll Instagram. Eat while watching YouTube. Stress out and escape into distractions. The past becomes your pilot. People don't make decisions themselves. They follow others. Friends. Family. Society. The Solomon Asch experiment proved it. 75% of people doubt their own eyes if the group disagrees. Then they say, pressure made me do it. No. You were spineless. Before making a decision, use 4 lenses. Number 1. Selfish lens. Will this make me happy long term, or just give temporary relief? Number 2. Chameleon lens. What impact will this decision have on my parents, partner, or future self? You can't please everyone, but awareness is key. Number 3. POV lens. Imagine this problem isn't yours, but your best friend's. What would your advice be? Number 4. Branch lens. What micro decisions follow this choice? Joining the gym is easy. Going every day is hard. It's not the decision, it's the follow-through that shapes life. Life isn't ruined by one big decision. Life is ruined by small daily decisions. And remember, more dangerous than a bad decision is not making a decision at all. So next time you're in doubt, pause, think, then choose.